Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix FIFA Mobile stuck on loading screen using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two ways to do this. So the first way is to just go ahead and open your settings, click on General, and click on Language and Region. Then now click on iPhone Language. Then choose any languages that you want. Okay, but you need to make sure that you memorize all the steps that you made so that you can switch it back to the original language that you want to use after the game. Okay, so once you've changed your language, just go ahead and try to open the FIFA Mobile application, and that should help you with your problem. And let's just say that if this method doesn't work for you, so the only option that you have is to just go ahead and uninstall and install again the application. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.